Of course, here we had all of those storms as well.
Yeah, we had a lot of activity today, even across the entire state of Florida. Over the past 6 hours, look at that. We've had tornado warnings. We've had multiple wind damage warnings as well. And we are still dealing with a chance to see some more severe weather in the forecast for tomorrow, all in association finally with the cold front that's really not going to give us any cold air. So it's a really big tease. It's just going to give us a chance for some more rain. And again, as I mentioned, the potential for some storms. Here's some shower activity that we did have from earlier. Some energy pushing through the state that really triggered the storms off to our west. For us, we saw some sea breeze activity and that moved out pretty quickly. We did see some storms developing right around 6 p.m. and now we're starting to see most of those wrapping up. So a few light showers just off towards the south of Boca Raton. A few more spotty showers though near Okeechobee, but we're not expecting to see much in the way of thunderstorm activity throughout the rest of your night. Just some rain on the light side, just wrapping up. So very light rain along Boca down to Deerfield, pushing offshore. So let's take a look at what to expect though later on. I'll get to that in just a little bit, but at the moment we have 68 degrees, rain cooled air, couple clouds lingering, not much of a wind out there at the moment, but earlier today we had wind gusts into the 30s, dew points in the 60s, humidity up, a lot of moisture, a lot of fuel. So for tomorrow when we see temperatures heating up again, that's going to really lead to the chance for some storms to develop and really flare up. So West Palm Beach earlier today, we had a high of 86 degrees, well above our average 81. Even our low temperatures earlier this morning, still above average. So very warm when we had that wind out of the south, and that south wind will stick around for Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, we are going to see that transition finally when the cold front passes. So here's the bonus with the front. It won't be as humid for Tuesday or Wednesday when we do hit the upper 80s, but we're not going to see temperatures on the cold side for quite some time. Future track takes most of that rain offshore and away into the Atlantic. Here's the approaching cold front. We start to see those storms really firing up when we have that daytime heating. And take a look by 3 o'clock, it is going to be a huge mess for Central Florida, Southwest Florida, and then even portions of the Treasure Coast. We are going to see a round of some early storm activity. And because of the storms, because of the energy that we do have in place, we do have a slight chance to see some severe weather for tomorrow. So just a few isolated strong thunderstorms are possible for the area shaded in yellow. That includes the Treasure Coast, Okeechobee County, and northern portions of Palm Beach County. Marginal risk everywhere else. But here's what we're going to expect for the Treasure Coast. We have the chance to see wind gusts up to 60 and even inch hail likely. So when we have these two criteria met, that's the ingredients for a severe thunderstorm. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do have a few warnings for tomorrow. And then for most of Palm Beach County, since you're under the marginal, just still looking at a chance for a strong wind gust or two and an opportunity to see some minor street flooding if we do have some heavy rain training over the same locations. But of course, it's so dry, we really do and really need that rain. So most of the morning is actually going to be nice and dry up until right around 11 o'clock. Still fairly quiet. It's going to be warm. It's going to be humid. And then there's that line of storms starting to push in from the north. So by around 2 o'clock, most of the Treasure Coast covered with some scattered storm activity. And then we're going to see pretty much a wind coming out of the north, pushing these showers to the south there. And that's why we do expect to see some of those showers and storms work their way into Palm Beach County. So right around 7 p.m. all the way till pretty much midnight, on and off showers likely. And then we are going to have another surge moving through past midnight. So Monday early morning, just another round, some scattered wet roads out there. And just keep that in mind for your morning commute. Most of that, though, should wrap up as we do get closer to your mid-morning hours. So that's the bonus. Again, it's going to move out pretty quickly. So some neighborhoods can still see an additional up to 2 to 3 inches of rain. So we are going to be on the lookout for that street flooding for tomorrow, on top of the chance to see some strong thunderstorms. But as I mentioned, the bonus in the forecast is dry and pleasant conditions, at least by Tuesday, Wednesday with lower humidity. But by next weekend, we do have a chance and a shot to see some more rain back into the picture. Let's look at your first morning forecast.
All right.